Today I'll teach you how to change your password in Groupon. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to groupon.com, the official website of Groupon, and you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to click on My Stuff at the top right of your screen. Once you click on My Stuff, you want to click on where it says Account. And from inside Account, what you want to do is make sure you're on the Account section and in the Account, bar over here. Once you're in the Account bar, scroll a bit down. And right below email, you're going to see the option called change your password. So to change your password, you need to enter your current password. After you enter your current password, enter a new password which you want for your Groupon account. So enter it. After you enter your new password, click on save changes. And if the current password you entered over here is correct, your new password will be set, removing your older one. And by doing that, your Groupon's password should be changed. So that's how you guys can change Groupon password. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.